FitLab Pittsburgh podcast, back with another movement tip and lifestyle hack. Today's tip, think about the food you eat as well as the movement you get when you're trying to plan a healthy, active, movement-filled lifestyle. So we all know it's important to move more. It's also important to fuel your body when you're planning to move more. Today we were up at Chenault Farms in Wexford, PA, talking to Rob Chenault about the fruits and vegetables they're growing up there in Wexford. So when you're planning your healthy lifestyle, don't forget about food. When possible, eat whole foods, shop local, eat local. Also, don't forget, we've been releasing these tips 3 times a week for quite a while now. Check out our YouTube channel or just scroll back through Instagram and you'll find lots of tips on ways to move more, ways to move better, and ways to fuel your healthy, active lifestyle. So check us out, and don't forget our podcast. We release a new episode every Sunday